shared this stage 15 years, me and him. I don't know if it's ever happened in football. The same two guys in the same stage all the time. So it's not easy.
யாரு ஹீரோ கேக்குறாங்கல்ல, சொல்லுங்க ஜி, யாரு ஹீரோ?